Dear friends and lovely ladies. It's hard to believe, but just one simple ingredient right from your own kitchen can help your skin look up to 20 years younger in a short time. If you know how to use it correctly. I used to be like many others. Every morning I'd look in the mirror and see my skin losing its smoothness and brightness, turning a little duller day by day. That's when I realized the problem wasn't about missing out on expensive creams or beauty products, but that my skin was losing its natural moisture balance and nutrients from within. Since I started making use of this ingredient, it's like my skin has been awakened, becoming smoother, rosier, and fresher every single day. No expensive treatments, no spa visits. The best part is, this ingredient is something every home has. It's easy to find, 100% natural, and safe even for the most sensitive skin. Where are you watching this video from? I know many of you are tuning in from Vietnam, the US, Japan, Korea, and even Europe. What about you? Have you ever tried using *ginger* for skincare? If you have, share your experience in the comments so everyone can learn from each other. And if you find today's topic helpful, don't forget to hit *like, share, and *subscribe to *live well every day so we can continue discovering more natural, safe, and truly effective beauty secrets together. Wishing you all good health, peace of mind, radiant skin, and joyful hearts. So every morning when you look in the mirror, you'll see yourself glowing with youth and full of positive energy. The natural wonder I want to talk about today is ginger. Before diving into the specific recipe, I'd like to share briefly why ginger is called the miracle herb for both skin and overall health. Ginger isn't just a common kitchen spice. It's a precious medicinal plant that's been used for thousands of years in both Eastern and modern medicine. In traditional Eastern medicine, ginger is considered warm in nature and mildly spicy in flavor. It helps warm the body, boost blood circulation, detoxify, and stimulate the regeneration of new cells. When blood flows well, the skin is nourished from within, becoming naturally rosy, vibrant, and firm. Modern scientific studies have also confirmed that ginger contains over 40 antioxidant compounds, especially *gingerol* and *shogal*, two powerful substances that neutralize free radicals, prevent premature aging, and stimulate the production of collagen, the essential protein that keeps skin firm and elastic. In addition, ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that help reduce acne, fade dark spots, and heal damaged skin. When applied or massaged onto the skin, you'll feel a gentle warmth spreading across your face. That's when the tiny blood vessels under your skin are being activated, improving circulation, allowing nutrients to penetrate deeply, and awakening your skin from within. That's why ginger doesn't just create temporary beauty, it actually nourishes your skin to be truly healthy, restoring it from the outside while supporting detoxification from the inside. And right now, I'm going to share with you *2 simple, safe, and highly effective ginger-based skincare recipes that you can start using today. Cherry blossom. So, let's get started, my friends. #RECIPE1. Ginger Night Cream for Smooth, Radiant Skin. To create this formula, the first ingredient you'll need is *1 tablespoon of fresh ginger juice. Ginger is a precious herb, not only beneficial for your health but also considered the golden key to anti-aging and natural skin brightening. It contains over 40 antioxidant compounds, with the most notable being *gingerol* and *shogal*. These two active compounds help neutralize free radicals, the main culprits behind premature aging, wrinkles, and dullness. Moreover, ginger boosts blood circulation beneath the skin, allowing skin cells to receive more oxygen, making your complexion look rosier, fresher, and more vibrant. Because of its natural warmth, Ginger also helps stimulate metabolism in the epidermis, encouraging the natural production of collagen. When your skin has enough collagen, its structure becomes firmer, more elastic, and ages more slowly. Ginger also possesses mild antibacterial properties, helping reduce inflammation and minimize small pimples or hidden acne. That's why just a small amount of fresh ginger can offer so many incredible benefits for your skin. The second ingredient is *1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch isn't only used in cooking, it's also a gentle skincare ingredient. It contains vitamin B3, niacin, which stimulates cell regeneration, fades dark spots, and helps even out skin tone. Cornstarch is also rich in minerals such as *zinc, magnesium, and iron, essential for healthy skin, reducing inflammation, and maintaining the skin's natural pH balance. When mixed and heated with ginger juice, it creates a smooth, creamy texture that helps nutrients adhere better to the skin. Cornstarch also soothes and reduces the slight tingling sensation caused by ginger's warmth, leaving your skin calm and comfortable. The third ingredient is *1 teaspoon of flaxseed gel. Flaxseed is a natural source of omega-3 fatty acids and lignans two nutrients often called superfoods for the skin. When boiled in water, flax seeds release a gel-like substance that acts as a natural moisturizer, soothing, softening, and deeply hydrating the skin. This gel also has anti-inflammatory properties, helping improve dry, flaky areas and reducing the appearance of fine lines. When combined with ginger, flaxseed gel helps balance moisture, cool the skin, and allows the active nutrients from ginger to be absorbed gently, without irritation. The fourth ingredient is *1 capsule of vitamin E, an essential component in any anti-aging formula. Vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting skin cells from pollution, dust, and UV damage. It also helps restore the skin's lipid barrier, retain natural moisture, and noticeably soften the skin. When combined with ginger, vitamin E prevents dryness or tightness after application while enhancing the anti-aging effect, fading dark spots and uneven pigmentation. After consistent use, your skin will become softer, brighter, and more radiant. The final ingredient is *1 teaspoon of almond oil or pure coconut oil. Almond oil is rich in healthy fatty acids and vitamin E which help improve elasticity and protect the skin's natural moisture barrier. Coconut oil, on the other hand, contains lauric acid, known for its antibacterial and softening properties, helping prevent dryness and flaking. You can choose the oil that suits your skin type best. If you have dry skin, use coconut oil for extra hydration. If you have sensitive or combination skin, almond oil is lighter and less likely to clog pores. Both oils add a silky texture to the cream, making your skin feel smooth, soft, and pleasantly nourished after application. When these *5 ingredients come together, they create a uniquely synergistic effect. Ginger acts as a conductor, helping nutrients penetrate deeply into the skin. Cornstarch stabilizes the cream texture and soothes the skin. Flaxseed gel hydrates and rejuvenates, while vitamin E and almond oil form a natural moisture-locking layer that keeps your skin hydrated throughout the night. This combination provides complete care, hydrating, regenerating, and protecting your skin from environmental damage. With regular use, you'll notice your skin becoming smoother, plumper, and noticeably more luminous. The preparation process is very simple. Add ginger juice, rose water, and cornstarch into a small pot and stir over low heat until the mixture slightly thickens. Then remove from heat, let it cool, and mix in the flaxseed gel, vitamin E and almond oil. Stir gently until it becomes a smooth cream. Then pour it into a clean glass jar with a tight lid and store it in the refrigerator. The cream can be used for up to 7 days. Each night, after washing and drying your face, apply an even layer over your face and neck. and gently massage for 3 to 5 minutes so the cream can fully absorb, then leave it on overnight. In the morning, rinse with cool water, and you'll immediately feel your skin softer, brighter, and smoother. For best results, apply nightly on a regular basis. This formula is especially suitable for dry, dull, or aging skin, as well as skin frequently exposed to sunlight or air conditioning. For oily or acne-prone skin, reduce the amount of almond oil to half a teaspoon to avoid a heavy feel. However, if you have sensitive skin, test a small amount on your wrist for 24 hours to ensure there's no irritation. Avoid using the cream on open wounds, inflamed areas, or active acne. Recipe 2. Ginger and Honey Revitalizing Mask. Dear friends, there are times when our skin looks dull, dry, and tired, especially after sleepless nights, stress, or long exposure to sunlight. In those moments, instead of rushing to expensive creams, you can try a natural and simple yet highly effective remedy, the Ginger and Honey Face Mask. This traditional Asian beauty secret has been cherished for generations because it helps boost blood circulation, brighten the skin, reduce inflammation, and stimulate cell renewal after just a few weeks of consistent use. To make this mask, you only need 3 familiar kitchen ingredients. The first is 2 teaspoons of pure honey. Honey contains over 30 valuable vitamins and minerals, including vitamins B and C, iron, zinc, and polyphenol antioxidants. These nutrients help the skin retain natural moisture, prevent dryness and dullness, and fight acne-causing bacteria. In traditional medicine, honey is known as the food that revives the skin, because it soothes damaged areas, promotes collagen and elastin production, and leaves the skin soft, smooth, and elastic. The second ingredient is 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger juice, extracted by grating or pressing the ginger root. Ginger contains gingerol and shogal 2 powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds that stimulate blood circulation under the skin. When used in moderation, ginger juice enhances blood flow, giving your skin a naturally rosy glow while helping the body eliminate toxins through the pores. The third ingredient is half a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Lemon is rich in natural vitamin C and citric acid, which gently exfoliate dead skin cells, tighten pores, and brighten the complexion. However, since lemon is acidic, it should be used in small amounts to avoid dryness or irritation. When mixed in the right ratio, these 3 ingredients form a balanced blend that both purifies and nourishes, helping the skin heal and rejuvenate from within. When ginger, honey, and lemon are combined, they create a remarkable synergistic effect. Ginger warms and stimulates circulation, helping the skin absorb the rich nutrients from honey, while honey soothes, moisturizes, and neutralizes the heat of ginger. Lemon works as a gentle cleanser, removing old cells so new ones can thrive. Together, they act as a natural duo of detox and nourishment, leaving your skin smoother, brighter, and more even-toned, while also reducing small pimples and dark spots. Studies have shown that with proper use, this combination can improve elasticity and reduce early wrinkles, especially around the mouth and eyes. The process is very simple. Mix 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, and half a teaspoon of lemon juice in a small bowl. Wash your face with warm water to open the pores. Then use a soft brush or clean fingers to apply the mixture evenly over your face and neck. Massage gently in circular motions for about 3 minutes. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse with cool water to tighten pores. For best results, apply this mask 2 to 3 times a week, preferably at night before bedtime, to let your skin fully relax and absorb all the nutrients. A few small but very important notes. If your skin is scratched, sensitive, or has inflamed red pimples, it's best to do a patch test on a small area of your wrist first. Avoid using this formula right after sun exposure or exfoliation, since the skin is still fragile and may react easily. Those with dry skin should reduce the amount of lemon juice to just a few drops and can add a little coconut oil or plain yogurt to increase hydration. In summary, the ginger and honey mask is one of the most effective natural skincare recipes, simple, affordable, yet capable of giving you bright, rosy, and firm skin. With regular use, you'll clearly notice the change. Your skin becomes brighter, softer, and, most importantly, healthier from within. This is a way to revive your skin without fancy cosmetics. Relying only on patience, self-love, and mindful care every day. Dear friends, now that we've learned two amazing ginger-based recipes the ginger night cream and the ginger honey mask, the key to lasting results is knowing how to combine them for full-day skincare. During the daytime, simply keep your skin moisturized and protected from the sun. You can apply a light layer of cream or a few drops of diluted almond oil. This not only keeps the skin soft and hydrated but also forms a protective barrier against dust and sunlight. Maintaining this moisture balance helps the skin stay supple and fresh throughout the day. At night, when the skin naturally rests and regenerates, use the ginger night cream. This step is essential for deep repair, collagen renewal, and lasting hydration. During sleep, your skin's ability to absorb nutrients doubles, so don't forget to gently massage the cream in to help it absorb evenly and deeply. In the middle of the week, about 2 or 3 times, take a few extra minutes to apply the ginger and honey mask. This step recharges the skin, gently removes dead cells, and restores natural radiance. While the mask is on, take the time to relax. Avoid looking in the mirror or using your phone, so your skin can truly unwind and rejuvenate. When used correctly together, after just 10 days, you'll see visible improvements. Your skin will look brighter, smoother, more elastic, and your face will appear naturally fresh and youthful, even without makeup. You see, beauty doesn't have to be expensive, it's about understanding what your skin truly needs and choosing safe, natural ingredients. Ginger, honey, and flaxseed are simple gifts from nature. Yet when combined properly, their effects can last longer and be more sustainable than many high-end cosmetics. The most important thing is to be consistent and kind to yourself. Every moment you spend caring for your skin is also a way of listening to your body and appreciating yourself after a long day. If you find today's natural beauty recipes helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to live well every day so we can continue exploring more safe, effective, and natural beauty secrets together. Wishing all of you, especially the wonderful women out there, good health, a peaceful heart, radiant skin, and joyful mornings. May you wake up each day, look in the mirror, and smile at yourself, knowing that you're truly living well every day. Cherry blossom, goodbye and see you next time.